morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the BTC-USD pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Alibaba's stock drop 1.3%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The S&P 500 and Nasdaq were higher, helped by gains in shares of Apple, while investors also awaited consumer prices data and a policy announcement from the Federal Reserve. Apple shares were up 6.4% and hit a record high after declining in the previous session. Ripple Labs closed its acquisition of Standard Custody, a digital asset custodian, on June the 11th. The deal, first announced earlier this year, is central to Ripple's planned rollout of a United States dollar stablecoin and broader goals of real-world asset tokenization. The World Bank said the US economy's stronger-than-expected performance has prompted it to lift its 2024 global growth outlook slightly, but warned that overall output would remain well below pre-pandemic levels through 2026.
And now, let's review some of today's world economic events.
Germany's harmonised index of consumer prices will be released at 6 GMT, the UK's industrial production at 6 GMT, Japan's BSI Large Manufacturing Conditions Index at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 18 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.